Hey guys, welcome to the Pixel Gallery add-on tutorial. Today we're going to discuss the Kitec Gallery Widget. First, let's drag and drop the Kitec widget inside the page. The default interface will have a broad background with repeating text, gallery items with stepping positions, and a subtle hover animation. From the options on your left, the first thing you can do is to change the background text from the text box. There's the repeating text style on the background. After that, you can customize the height of the gallery through the scroll bar below. The three switches below can let you show or hide the text, title, and meta from the display. You'll find two image size options, one for the initial layout and the other for the private window that pops up when clicking up on an image item. You can click on the link option and select media file and then set yes for the lightbox option. Next, the items section is where you'll find all items listed inside this section. Each item box will give you options to customize the gallery item by changing the image, title, meta, and text. Let's start with customizing the image of the item. Then comes the title, meta text, and description text. Like that, you can start customizing the rest to complete the gallery. Alright, let's jump into the Style tab. From the first section here, you can add an overlay color over the background. There are other options like background type, border, padding, etc. Moving to the title section, you can change the color of the text from the top. You can go for the typography option to customize the title font by changing the font family, size, weight, etc. Then from the text section, let's customize the text color. The text is placed right below the title. Moreover, you can go for the typography customizations to match them with the titles. Next, the model section here lets you customize each parts of the model or pop-up window that appears once a gallery item is clicked. The options are already divided here, so you can start by customizing the text color first, followed by typography. The same changes can happen to the text too. The last part is the back icon, and here you can change its color. As for the last section in the Style tab, here it lets you configure the color of the background text, which is barely visible behind the image items. You can use a strong or subtle color here. Once done, you can present your visitors with a completely different and a new gallery experience with the Kitec widget. Just look at the animation style. It surely lives up to its name. That's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.